King of Christmas sent us a Christmas tree. We're going to do a full review on this, how easy it is to install, and hopefully help you decide if this Christmas tree is for you. This one specifically is the 8-foot King Flock artificial Christmas tree with 900 warm white LED lights. But for a smaller one, they do start out at $2.99, and keep an eye out for specials and sales on their website. I'll also link our affiliate link and code down below. It does help our channel. And they really do have a beautiful selection of trees, so I know it can be difficult to pick. Alright, so King of Christmas sent us a amazing Christmas tree. 2 boxes here. We haven't had a new Christmas tree in years before the kids, so we're excited. It's a little early that we're getting it, but we're gonna post this in November, so it'll be good for you guys.
Wow!
Nice, look at that. I like the fake snow. There was a few different options that they had, and we just haven't had that kind in a long time. Well, ever, I don't think. What about the other box, do you think?
That's probably the bottom part. This looks like the top.
Oh! And like I said, it's been about 10 years since we've had a new tree. Our other one was really falling apart, so we were genuinely excited for this gorgeous tree. And I like that it comes with its own storage bag, so when you put it away, you have something to protect it.
There's the manual for it. Here's the stand.
Are you excited to decorate it this year, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's all the snow.
It's gonna definitely shed white. That looks like the bottom, then the middle, top.
And considering our old tree, you had to put all the branches on it. This was way easier because it's just a few pieces. All right, 4 sections. We'll see how long it takes Rick to build this here.
It even has a remote,
That's cute.
so it'll light up the lights and whatnot.
Nice.
It glows.
And each piece was labeled A, B, C, and D, so super easy.
I like this. Look at that.
Buddy.
Bang!
The thing is huge.
It is. It'll fit all of our ornaments now.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay, so we need letter B. I see it. It connects.
We can try to fluff it.
Yeah, well, you gotta kind of do it from the bottom. Or actually, from the top. Well, you gotta make sure.
Good job, Bob. Look at you. Teamwork. So now C is going on. They're going to do a little bit more fluffing, and then they just have the top.
Pull. Good job. I love it, honey. I think the whole thing's already connected. It's connected through the pull.
Can I put the cap in this?
How does it compare to the one that we had?
You had to take each individual
Oh,
branch
yeah, that's right.
and put them together.
Yeah, look how big that is.
Oh my
This is
God.
the biggest one we've had.
It seriously only took us less than 10 minutes to put this together.
Yeah, I've only been recording for less than that, so.
I mean, it needs fluffed still. I mean, but putting it together,
Easy.
very simple.
Oh, and here?
That is friggin' cool.
I love it. It's so pretty.
I'm
Aww.
hugging it. You see?
There's setting 1. Setting number 2, it's like they half twinkle and half fall. I like that one. That's number 3. There's a number 4. They probably fade in and out.
Number 5?
Actually, it is. Look, it's slowly dimming. It
Oh,
just takes a
okay.
minute. So that's number 4. Here's number
Ah!
5.
I like that
It's
one.
party time.
I think I like 3.
Here's number 6.
Number 6 is nice too.
They just kind of get a little bit brighter and go away. Yeah, dimmer. Nice. Okay, here's number 7, which is party time again. And then here's number 8. Looks like they're just all on.
Yeah, just like a solid.
Oh, it changes. Maybe it's random. Look, I don't know.
Oh.
But then you have these settings too. You can make it bright.
Can we take off
Well,
the
you have to.
tabs?
You have
She
to
have to
point
like-
at it. Got some of these on clearance last year after Christmas, so it's the best time to get ornaments. So we had put it together initially when we first got it in August just to make sure everything was intact, and it was. And then we brought it back out the beginning of November so we can get this review ready for you. And it was super easy putting it back together for my husband. He is still happy about that, which honestly he never really liked putting together the old one just because it was a pain, so he is super relieved that this is way easier. We're doing good so far. We're getting lots of ornaments on there. They're holding up really good. You gotta be careful with like the fat ones because the kids have a hard time a little bit with the fatter branches. But
What is a movie and
I like how
car?
sturdy it is. This is when we got custom made at the park. Judging from the past few Christmas trees that I've had in my life, this is honestly the best and nicest tree we've ever had. There's no shame in getting a tree from Walmart or Hobby Lobby or somewhere else, but King of Christmas really does have the best quality that I've seen. And I do like that the tree comes with a 2-year warranty, so if something does happen, you are protected, but we had no issues so far. Okay, some of these are our newest ones. We had some Harry Potter added to our collection. It's looking good. Oh yeah, we got a lot of Alice ones too. Alice is my favorite. And just a reminder, definitely subscribe if you like Christmas events because we're going to be covering so much in Florida here. We have Legoland Christmas, Christmas at Universal Studios, all around the theme parks and in the Orlando area as well as Tampa. And as you can see, we have a lot of Disney ornaments, but we are working on adding more Universal ones because that has become our absolute favorite park. This has been up over a week now, and the ornaments, I've had no issues with them falling. They seem to be on there really well. So for the remote, you do have to point down at the bottom for it to work, but we've already showed these settings. Let us know which one you like. Do you like fast twinkling lights, slow, or no twinkle at all? And if you're thinking of getting one, let us know which one you like or you're considering. They really do have a good selection, like I've said before. It was really tough to pick for me because they have some that are pink, some that are blue, they have the snow or just a traditional tree. But I'm honestly so glad we got these snow covered branches because it is really beautiful and it makes the ornaments pop out, all those colors. Super easy to install, and I like the remote feature because again, we've never had anything fancy like this. We don't have the space currently, but my dream would be to have a different themed tree in each room. How cool would that be? And this is a good quality tree to do that with. I hope this video was helpful. Sometimes we do reviews such as these, but usually we're going around finding fun places to do in Florida, and stick around for Christmas events coming up. Click these videos next if you're in the Christmas spirit. We have some hilarious meets with the Grinch at Universal Studios Florida. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a lot of Christmas coverage.